Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to make your iPhone text message different colors. Customizing the color of text messages on an iPhone isn't natively supported as iOS doesn't offer built-in options for changing the color of individual text messages or message bubbles. However, you can use a third-party app to achieve a similar effect. So first things first, let's go to App Store and make sure to install Color Text Messages by Lifestyle, then hit Open. And here you can choose from various customized fonts, bubble colors, text colors, etc. Now tap Clear, then tap Random. So that's why the text bubble is changing to random. Then let us type our preferred message. Then once done, tap on Send. And here, choose your recipients. Then tap on Send. And it will send as an image. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.